Dream Chasers! Welcome back to the Extraordinary Sisters. What are we making today?
Grandma's favorite.
Mayonnaise cake.
Yep, you heard it. You heard us right. It's mayonnaise cake. See, right here's the mayonnaise.
You guys want to see how this turns out, and if we like it, make sure you
like and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.
Ding! Let's go!
Two cups of flour we're going to put in the bowl. Grandma Sally said to put your hair back. I don't like doing that. Just saying. Look like a guy.
You do not. I have a hood just like Haley.
My hair is
Did
too
you
long.
say you were putting in
Layer.
2 cups of what?
Flour.
Okay.
Oh, that was boring. Hershey's cocoa powder.
3 tablespoons, and they're supposed to be heaping. Heaping, that's right.
Oops.
Oh yeah, you do all the dry ingredients.
Okay.
You're the one who likes mayonnaise.
1 cup sugar.
You're right in the way.
Oh wait, one. That's only one. What the?
She's a
heck
bit
is that?
messy.
Yeah, it's because
Good.
Salt.
yeah, you can do the mayonnaise.
I do the rest.
I'll mix. I'm not doing mayonnaise. Wait, how much salt?
I don't know if you need a whole one of them. That's a lot.
Teaspoon.
Mm-hmm. Now, I want to know, put it down in the comments
I like
on
you.
how many of you have made this and how many of you like it.
And have you ever heard of it?
Or yeah, if you've ever even heard of it.
Because I didn't until
It's-
yesterday.
It's from the Great Depression.
Holy Jenkins.
Hmm.
This is an ancient recipe. Where did that,
What is this called? The Blizzard flip, right? From, what's it called?
I don't know.
Dairy Queen?
Yeah. Miss Sony knew what I was talking about.
She is messing with the dog over there.
Leaving there!
All right, Nash.
He's so stupid. See? Oh god.
Ah,
Yeah, he don't like it.
you don't like anything that makes noise. All right.
That hurts my ears. Shut up. That hurts my ears. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Yeah, she's a talker.
I remember in one of the videos I had to do a whole friggin' spoonful of it.
And then, yeah, and that was supposed to be a punishment, and come to find out it wasn't. Oh, I can't wait till this is done.
Stinks. Does not smell good.
It's delicious.
Butter, oh my gosh.
Cocoa powder.
Yeah, stinks. I hate smell of cocoa butter.
She already greased that, just so everybody's aware. And now we're gonna, the oven is preheating to 350. Did you preheat it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
already done.
And it's ready
Yeah.
And
How
so,
long is it sitting there for?
well, until it bounces back.
So I'm gonna say 22 minutes.
Oh, it looks scrumptious.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's done. That looks good. That looks really good.
I was wondering.
That's your, yeah, that's your fourth cup.
I was wondering if I could say hi to you.
Awesome.
And guess what? My mom's friend got a job.
Yeah?
And tomorrow has to work. So.
Okay.
You guys would have been there.
And you said you've never had mayonnaise cake either? Or even heard of it?
I think my grandma used to make it, but I don't know why.
Yeah, my grandma used to make it too. I can't wait to try it. Mayo cake.
Can't pick it up.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
It's a little weird, but it's not bad.
Do you like it? Okay, so what do you rate it?
8.
I was gonna say 8 or 9.
What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
What do you rate it?
A 9.